Hello Bambu peeps. I'm here today to show you how you can attach multiple custom K-factor settings to a filament profile in order to switch back and forth between them. For many of us, using the default K-factor has proven to be highly successful on Bambu printers. However, for those advanced users who may have a need to switch between K-factors, this might be a useful feature for you. To do this, open Bambu Studio and park right here on the main screen. To get started, we will need to select the printer we wish to create the profile for. Be sure the printer is turned on and connected to Bambu Studio. I will be working with a Bambu P1S with a 0.4 nozzle. Choose the filament you wish to create this custom profile for. I will work with generic PLA. Go ahead and enter the calibration screen. Here you should be connected to the same printer you chose on the prepare screen. If you are not, use the pull down menu to select that printer. The Manage Result button should highlight and you should be able to click and enter that screen. Here in the Flow Dynamics Calibration Results screen, you may create a new profile by clicking on New. Here we can name it whatever we want, such as dialed in. Choose the filament we are attaching this profile to. It is going to be generic PLA. And I will add a K factor of 0.17. Let's say we are running some tests to dial things in a little more, and we want to tinker with a little more and a little less. You may go ahead and press New, maybe higher, .19, maybe lower, generic PLA, 0.16. OK. You will now see all three custom K-factors. You can close this screen and return to device. Again, being sure the correct printer is chosen. Over here, you will see the AMS and the loaded filaments. Click on that generic PLA, click on PA profile, and you will see dialed in 0.17, maybe higher, 0.19, maybe lower, 0.16. And there you have it. You may easily select between three different pressure advance profiles with different K-factors when you are dealing with dialing in certain filaments for certain reasons. Be sure to remember that each of these profiles is tied in to a filament and a printer. Is this a feature you find useful? If it is, educate us in the comments and let me know how you have put it to work.